Okay.
Is today the first day she's walking? September 11th?
2009. She just turned 9 months yesterday.
There she goes. You're not supposed to eat it too. Whoa, look at her go. Whoa, she's going fast.
Careful, honey. Oh, she growls. Hi.
Oh.
Lily. Hi.
We can turn you this way.
But she isn't better.
Okay, let's take a look at her. Okay, Olivia has a girl that's sick. Show us, Olivia.
Okay, 2 girls who are sick. It's this girl.
Yeah, in my new laundry center. Yay.
And
Uh-oh.
this girl. These 2 girls. And this blanket.
And they don't feel better?
They don't.
Uh-oh, Evan's not feeling it.
I wouldn't put him in
He
there.
needs to go in. Just kidding.
Now to turn on AM. Turn on AM. Now to turn on AM.
Okay, in he goes.
Now do that to me.
Hear your dad, Dad?
In she goes.
Daddy, Tony N.
Give me a high five. High five. Hello. Oh, you got me.
Papa.
Hello.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
Elise.
Daddy a pie. Daddy a pie. Daddy a pie. A pie. No. She's like.
What?
Yeah, we have no toodles. That's it.